Well, new tonight at 6, Smith County is looking to partner with the UT Health Science Center when it comes to providing medical care to inmates at the county jail. Commissioners took the first step today by expressing their intent to partner with the Health Science Center. The county will now explore things like cost and logistics. Jail medical care is currently handled by a third party. But Smith County Judge Neil Franklin says this new partnership would make the Health Science Center the sole provider of med psych services.
We really look forward to potentially working with a local, somebody who's here, because it provides psych services that are local as well. Right now we utilize psych services out of state, so a lot of it's done over the phone or in Zoom, that type thing, and so that's really important for us as well.
Now, if it all works out, Franklin says this partnership would possibly allow Smith County to work with the expanding UT Tyler School of Nursing and the new UT Tyler School of Medicine.